Alright, so I'm having a code, and the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my scanner. Alright, you gotta find it. It's always below the driver's side within 3 feet. It's right here, and put it. Alright, we didn't have power, but as soon as we get the key on, and we still don't have power. Gotta check a fuse. Alright, so there was no power on my on the outlet for the scanner. There was no power, so you gotta check my video on how to fix that. The link will be at the end. So now I have power. Alright, and once you have power, okay, you're gonna put the key, but you're not gonna turn the vehicle, just gonna put it on the on position. Alright, and we're gonna start reading. Enter for scan. Codes 1. Read codes. Let me see. Alright. P0155 is an O2 sensor, heater circuit bank 2, sensor 1. Bank 2, sensor 1. Okay, so we're gonna check what that is, and we'll figure it out. Alright guys, so we had the code of P0155, and check it online, or maybe your scanner will tell you, or if you did the scan on one of those out of places. Well, it's the same thing. You gotta check online or at the dealer, whatever you want, what the code is, so that way you make sure positively what it is. So in this case, P0155 for a Cadillac Escalade, that was the vehicle that we were checking out. It said that it was a faulty heater oxygen sensor bank 2, sensor 1. What that means? Okay, so here it is what it means. The bank 1, it always refers to the piston number 1. So whatever your vehicle has the piston number 1, that's gonna be bank 1, and obviously bank 2 is the other side. So you gotta check online to find out where's piston number 1 on your vehicle, and whatever piston 1 is, that's bank 1. Always, no excuses. Sometimes, you know, sometimes the vehicles, the newer vehicles have, or if you have the original cables, the wire or the spark plug cables, sometimes they numbered and they have the number 1 pistons. That's another way that you can find out. But if you are not satisfied with which one is piston number 1, well, call the dealer, and they will let you know for sure. So what's sensor number 1? Sensor number 1, or upstream, that's what it equals to. Sensor 1 or upstream. Sensor number 2, downstream. So sensor number 1, upstream, it means that the sensor before the catalytic converter. In other words, the one that is closer to the engine, or the first sensor going out from the engine. That's gonna be sensor number 1, upstream. And downstream, it's gonna be the one after the catalytic converter. It'll be downstream or sensor number 2. All right. So just remember, the sensor number 1 or upstream, it's the one that is closer to the piston or to the engine. So I made a little diagram right here to more or less to kind of guide you, you know. Here it is. I hope you can see what I'm talking about with this drawing. But this right here is the piston. It's just so that way you have an idea, the valves. And here's the exhaust. All right, so it's coming out from the engine. This is the exhaust, and bang, this is the oxygen sensor number 1 or upstream. And then it keeps going down. You have the catalytic converter, past the catalytic converter, and bang, you got the sensor number 2 or downstream. All right, so in my case it calls for the upstream, and this is the one that we are going to be changing today. All right, so let's keep moving. Alright, so I am about to install the new oxygen sensor. Make sure the one you buy is the correct one. On this particular oxygen sensor, which is the upstream, closer to the engine, as I mentioned it before, it's really hard because you got the drive shaft and the muffler and stuff like that, so you got to do everything with one hand. So you basically, what you do with one hand is just pull this thing and at the same time pull the switch, so that way you can disconnect it. I'll show you downstairs how it looks. It's kind of tight. If you have somebody with skinny hands, well, it's much better. So let's do it. Okay, so we are under the vehicle, and as I'm telling you, that right there is the oxygen sensor. You got the drive shaft right here on the way, the muffler, and right up here, right up there, that's where the switch is at. I was able to disconnect it with one hand, like as I told you.
Hello.
Alright, here's this dude.
What's up, dude?
Ready? Come out with the 7/8 here. With the 7/8, we're gonna be removing this right here.
What?
Just so we're very loose. That one.
On this side, right?
The other one, yeah.
This side? That don't fit.
Yes, it does. Okay, let me take this out. Alright, I think we got it out.
Did it work, really?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. Well, if it's loose, you probably can do it with your hand. If it's not loose, you could probably do it with your hand.
No water's gonna come out on it?
Nah. That's a muffler.
These are like right there.
Well, he's asking me if water is gonna come out from the muffler, man.
I don't know.
These teenagers nowadays.
Teenagers, I'm 19.
Alright, so we got the oxygen sensor out.
That's the sensor? Oh, it's
Right.
burnt.
So I want you to take a look at it. So it looks kind of messed up. So here comes the fun part. It is going to be to connect the new one, because you got to do it with one hand. Where is it?
I can get it.
Alright.
Where is it?
So
It's a new one.
I want you to see there. I'm trying to get the see the switches right there, and he's gonna try to hook it up with only one hand. See if I can.
How did I get it last time?
Can we? All right. Oh wait. Oh no! Don't connect.
Why?
Is it already on?
Huh? No.
Okay.
Why?
All right, so we gotta screw the oxygen system first before we you can see there. Come in.
Keeps on unscrewing because. Okay.
Alright, now you can connect it. We're gonna connect it and then we're gonna tighten it a little bit, right? So let me show you again. With one hand, he's gonna try to do it there.
Where's it at again?
It's right there, man. See it?
Yeah.
See, the space is kind of limited. You got the drive shaft and the muffler. So you're gonna have to play around for a little bit and connect it with one hand.
Got it.
All the way in and then push that thing back. And up, push that thing down. Is it in?
I think so.
Yeah, it is. Right. Okay.
Feels like it's in, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
It is. Positive. We good. Yeah, it's in.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
in.
no, it wasn't.
It wasn't?
Look at that.
Oh, yeah, let me see.
I just disconnected it.
No way.
Segway.
It's got a log.
It's just a little hard to go too fast on this space. I can get it from here.
Huh?
Ah, there it is. Now it's connected.
Is it?
Yeah, it has to click.
Yeah, it's a click. Yeah. So we heard a pop,
Yeah, now it's
click.
Now it's connected.
Yeah, and now it's connected, as you can see right there. Make sure it makes that kind of like a click sound. You know it already. Hold on. Let me.
Tight.
That's the switch. So now we're gonna tighten this thing. Pretty good. All right, so we got the oxygen sensor tightened. That's the upstream. The downstream is somewhere around there, right here, right there. Upstream closer to the pistons. Downstream after the catalytic converter. All right, guys, that's it. Try to erase codes. Are you sure? Yes, I'm erasing.